A motorcycle advertised as an adventure bike should be able to do everything, right? Well, I've put mine through just about everything, so let's see what a CB500X can do. Can you take it down the interstate through hundreds of miles of straight roads? Absolutely. Can you then turn off onto a gravel? No problem. If that gravel turns into something a little rougher, can you still keep going? Yeah. You're gonna struggle a little bit, but it'll go single track through the forest if you want it to. If the forest isn't your thing and you want to go to bike night in the cities, yeah, it'll get some attention, especially if it's dirty. That'll be rare. Will it take you to places that you probably shouldn't take it and get you in trouble? Absolutely. If you just want to take a relaxing ride or really throw it through some curves, you can find the limits of the bike and it's going to be fun. But not quite as dangerous as a leader bike, so you'll probably make it to the other end of the curvy roads. So yes, a CB500X will do anything you want it to, but
it's only a 500, but it'll still do interstate. Want one? Sure. We got a whole box of them. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a jack of all trades, master of none. Like, it'll do forest roads and it'll do interstate, but you kind of suffer everywhere.